Oraimo FreePods PRO versus the Oraimo FreePods 3. This is gonna be interesting. Hey guys, Babatunde Motao here. So today's video is about the two of the best Oraimo earbuds in the market right now. And these two earbuds have a lot of similarities and differences which we'll be talking about today. And for those who want to know, should you upgrade to this new Oraimo FreePods PRO? I'll be answering that in this video too. And if you don't know this Oraimo FreePods PRO by now, I don't know what you know.
I know you are going to say I don't know you. I don't know you.
Shaggy, you don't know me. Look
I don't know you.
You don't know me. Okay. Look my back.
I know you. Why?
Now, let's start with the similarities between these two earbuds. They both have stem style designs that come out of the ear like this and with the Oraimo branding by the side, so they are noticeable when you put them in your ears. And also, they have the Oraimo branding on their case. They both have ENC on them, which is the environmental noise cancellation feature. So if you are making calls with any of these earbuds, you'll be having a crystal clear conversation with the person at the other end of the call. They both feature the Bluetooth 5.2 version, which is the latest Bluetooth version in the market right now. So you'll be having no issue with connection, and these are blazing fast. But the Oraimo FreePods PRO, which is this, have the Google Fast Pair service on it, so you can easily connect and sync up your devices together into just one Google account. Another thing worth mentioning is that both earbuds have touch control sensors on them, which is located at the upper side of the earbuds, and they are very responsive to your command. So tapping any of the earbuds can pause or play or help you to pick your call or drop them anytime you like. They both also have water resistant rating of IPX5, so you are good to go if you are using them for jogging activities or you are in the gym, or if you are just sweating on it. Don't worry, they got you covered. And looking inside their pack, you'll notice that both earbuds has same accessories in them, such as extra ear tip, short Type-C cable, paperwork, etc. The only difference you will notice in this pack is that the Oraimo FreePods PRO pack comes with the free protective pouch. So you are having a protective pouch on the Oraimo FreePods, but you don't have any of such on the Oraimo FreePods 3. Now let's talk about the major differences. These differences are just the ones that I know an average user will want to know about. So I'll be talking about the price, the core quality, the sound quality, and the rest. So let's start with the price. The price of the Oraimo FreePods PRO goes for 34,000 naira, while the price of the Oraimo FreePods 3 goes for 15,900 naira. Though you can get the Oraimo FreePods 3 lesser during the promo times, but if you check the price differences between these two earbuds, you notice it is 19,000 naira, which is huge. In the battery department, both earbuds have decent battery life. The Oraimo FreePods 3 has 45 mAh for each of its earbuds and 500 mAh for its charging case, while the Oraimo FreePods PRO has 70 mAh for each of its earbuds and 510 mAh for the charging case. In real life tests, I noticed that the Oraimo FreePods PRO lasts longer compared to the Oraimo FreePods 3, which means the Oraimo FreePods PRO can last you for 12 hours 20 minutes in my testing, while the Oraimo FreePods 3 can only last you for 7 hours 30 minutes. As you can see, there is a lot of differences there. So if you really want a longer battery life, Oraimo FreePods PRO is the best bet in this category. Now let's talk about the core quality. Both earbuds have decent core quality when I tried them out. In fact, they both use same technology, which is the 4 mic beam forming technology plus the AI algorithm, which helps you to have a clearer call conversation with the other person at the end of the call. And when I tested this out, I noticed that both earbuds sound the same thing. But don't take my word for it. Here is the core quality test. Alright guys, so this is the core quality test of the Oraimo FreePods 3, as you can see right now. So this is what you'll be getting if you are buying one right away. This is how it sounds. So if you notice any difference once I switch, please let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, so this is the core quality test of the Oraimo FreePods PRO, and I've just changed over to the Oraimo FreePods PRO AirPods. So this is what you'll be getting if you are buying one right away. And how does it sound like? So is it similar or different? So when it comes to the sound quality department, both earbuds sounds great. I can't lie you, I will just tell you the truth here.
Yeah, you for talk and since now.
They are not created the same thing. In fact, they have different drivers in them, which you can check down in the description for the specs list there. When you listen to these earbuds, you will notice that there is a little bit of difference between both earbuds. Actually, it depends on the music that you are listening to. When you test it with songs like Goyan Menor and Neptune's Amapiano, Rema, Calm Down, and Ashake Shungba Remix featuring Burna Boy. From these songs, I noticed that the Oraimo Freepods 3 has bass in it, while the Oraimo Freepods Pro has a more balanced profile sound. So if you are to compare both of them, you'll be getting almost the same thing, but the Oraimo FreePods Pro is better in my opinion. Now let's go to the latency. Both earbuds work fine with music and videos such as Netflix, YouTube, and other multimedia platforms. So playing videos and listening to music is just a walk in the park. You have no issue whatsoever. But when it comes to the gaming mode, the Oraimo FreePods Pro has a gaming mode on it, while the Oraimo FreePods 3 has no gaming mode at all. And I tested both of them playing some games on it, which is first shooter games and the casual games. I noticed that the Oraimo FreePods Pro is better if you are using it for gaming compared to the Oraimo FreePods 3, though there's still a little bit of latency when you are using the Oraimo FreePods Pro. Okay.
Preview.